Okay, I want to show you a great feature of Teams. So you're in Teams, and again, I'm using the app, so you want to make sure that you are using the app. Go to these three dots and turn on live captions. Now, when you turn on live captions, it does not change it for everyone. It only changes it for you. So do you see what just happened at the bottom of the screen? I literally turned on closed captioning. So why would this be important? So some of my students are working in a loud environment. Some teachers are working in a loud environment. Sometimes the student's microphone is not working effectively. This is a way to try to be able to communicate with everyone effectively. So these closed captionings are brilliant. Okay, now it's not always 100% accurate, but you can see as I'm speaking here, it does a pretty good job of capturing what I'm saying. And if the speaker changed, instead of having my name, it would switch to whoever was speaking. Okay, so again, this is not something that you can do for anyone else. You're going to have to teach other people and teach students how to do it. So again, it's from the three dots and you would turn on live captions. You're going to have to redo this every meeting. Okay, but again, for a lot of students and for a lot of teachers who are maybe having trouble hearing or understanding what a student is saying, this can be another level of um, ensuring that everyone is communicating effectively. So I highly recommend using live captions in Teams.